5 money mistakes are silently keeping you poor, and chances are you're making at least 3 of them. The scary part, these don't look like mistakes. Most people think they're doing the right thing until years later they realize they've made zero progress. This isn't about how much you earn, it's about what you're doing wrong with the money you already have. Mistake number 1, saving money but not investing it. It feels responsible, but your money is losing value every year. And this gets worse with mistake number 2, keeping everything in safe options like savings accounts or fixed deposits. Safe doesn't mean growing, it often means losing slowly. But the next mistake is where people lose the most money: lifestyle inflation. Every time your income increases, your expenses increase faster, so you earn more but stay stuck. And this is where things get dangerous. Mistake number 4, having no financial plan, just earning, spending, and repeating with no direction. If you don't control your money, it controls you. But even this isn't the biggest mistake. Mistake number 5, depending only on your salary, because if your income stops, everything stops, while the wealthy make money work for them. If you fix these 5 mistakes, everything changes. You stop losing money, you start growing it, and you begin building real wealth. Now the real question is, what should you actually do instead? Watch the next video where I show you exactly how to start investing even from zero.